The Bulldog bowling alley is a spot where students score, both in games and in prices. The alley is located on the lower level of the USU and features 12 lanes, billiards, and an arcade. Not only do they have great features, they have great deals too.
Yeah, typically throughout the year we have different events that are free bowling events, or we do have bowling events that are $1, and then we do some of the 50% off. It's just like around the holidays.
They offer a special for students on weekday mornings where you can purchase 2 games for just $4.
Here at the Bulldog Bowling Alley, students are taking advantage of the $1 homecoming special.
Freshman Diego Nieves visits the bowling alley for its relaxing atmosphere.
Oh, definitely. This is definitely like a must-know spot. Like I said, there's already enough to do here, and along with that, there's a snack shop, and the food's cheap there, and it's just a good environment. And if you're lucky enough, someone will be playing music, which is even better.
For Juan Beltran, coming to the bowling alley is a fun way to get to know his classmates outside of school.
Recently, I have been coming a lot with like my junior friends. You know, before we didn't really hang out a lot, but now we're starting to like hang out more, and we're starting to get more involved with campus life. And it's really fun.
Students use the bowling alley to bond and relieve stress during those busy school weeks. Julia Vella, Fresno State Focus.